खेलते फुटबॉल खेलते।
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
Arey Lakshmi, what are you doing here? Why haven't you gone home yet?
Nothing, miss. Just like that, I was about to go home.
Usually you're one of those who runs home the moment the bell goes off. Is everything all right?
Yes, miss. All is okay.
Okay, tell me one thing. How is everyone at home doing?
All are doing well, miss. But sometimes, you know.
What filthy food have you given me? Where the hell is the water? How dare you feed me this rubbish? Ugh! What the hell do you think of yourself? Ugh!
Arey, don't worry Lakshmi. I will come and talk to your family and sort it out. Okay?
What are you sobbing for? Your daughter is old enough to be married off. Yet you haven't learnt, huh? How to keep your husband happy? No wonder he gets angry. Do you expect flowers? Ask your father in law. He also used to raise his hands. But I would never complain. And look at you. Huh?
Hello, Master Niji. Hope everything is okay. Has Lakshmi done something wrong?
Something wrong has certainly happened. But not by Lakshmi, but with Lakshmi. Radhaji, isn't that a bruise on your face?
Well, I was drinking water from the well and.
Yes, and she slipped on the way.
Well, I think we all know how the bruise got there and due to whom. Right,
you know,
Raghuji?
sometimes when I'm drunk, I'm not myself and end up raising my hands
You
and.
say this only happened because you were intoxicated. Many a time, mental tension, poverty, relationship issues, etc., make people behave this way as well. When we are not in our senses, we could attack anybody, isn't it? Then I wonder, why is it that we don't attack respectable people or those who are stronger than us? Why is it that we only attack those we think are weaker than us? Raghuji, the root of this behavior is not intoxication, but patriarchy, which women and children of the house are condemned to suffer. Do you know? Children who see and experience such violence in their households are more likely to grow up to become violent. When Sanju grows up, he may rough up his wife, his children, and who knows, perhaps even you.
What can I say, Master Niji? I have suffered this for years too, so I assumed this is how things are meant to be.
Raghuji must have assumed the same, looking at both of you. This cycle of violence continues from generation to generation. Fights at home have a severe impact on the mental and physical health of children. Domestic violence is not only physical assault. Verbal abuse, demeaning someone, not allowing them to work, snatching away their earnings are also forms of domestic violence. Oh, by the way, Raghuji, I forgot to mention that today Sarpanch Ji has called a public meeting, which will be very beneficial for you. We ladies will take the kids and go ahead. I will have some company as well. After you've finished all your work, please do come to the meeting.
Yes. Sure, Master Niji.
Radha, do you know that every woman has the right to file a complaint against anyone who tortures her at home?
But Master Niji, what should be done if the violence starts suddenly and there is no time to go out? Then what should we do?
My suggestion is that you should make a list of people in advance whom you and your children feel can certainly ask for help. Be it a neighbor, a friend, a member of the panchayat, any officer, or it could even be a teacher like me. So when needed, you can contact them as soon as possible.
Yes, what you said is right.
And listen, keep the kids as far away from this as possible. Because they could get hurt during the violence too. And the most important thing is to take care of your safety. So remember, try to move away from the kitchen area when you are attacked, so that sharp objects like knives, cutters, and heavy objects stay away from the attacker. And remember, do tie your hair so that they don't get access to pull it. If it is absolutely impossible to escape, crouch into a corner, covering your head with your hands, fingers interlocked. And if you have to leave the house to escape the violence, don't forget to carry essentials like some jewelry, money, phone, Aadhaar card, okay?
Very good suggestion, Master Niji. Thank you very much.
Dear villagers, today we have organized this special meeting to talk about domestic violence. This has become a huge problem now. Violence of any kind is unacceptable. A man should live in peace and happiness with his wife. Children will also be happier at home. They will study better and grow up to become successful citizens. This will also serve as an inspiration for others. Have you understood? Does anyone have any questions?
Sarpanch ji, these things are quite common. Arey, once you are drunk and you lose your senses, your hand raises. Why are we making such a big fuss about it?
This is not a minor issue. Aren't you ashamed to say such things? Such violence and abuse do not reflect well on a village like ours. Drunkenness also makes people waste money and assault young children and senior citizens at home. My suggestion is, I want to open a de-addiction center in the village at the earliest. Until then, people can consult the doctor at the primary hospital. Hariya, will you continue to embarrass our village or will you reform your behavior?
Sarpanch ji, if a woman is suffering from domestic violence, is there any law to protect her?
Certainly. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 provides protection to every mother, sister, wife, widow and cohabitant. Isn't it, Pancho?
Absolutely. Every woman has the fundamental right to file a complaint against the person who oppresses her in the house, whether it's a man or a woman. For this, she has the power to visit the local police officer, security officer, any non-government institution or magistrate.
And yes, every woman has a complete right to live in the house of her spouse, whether she has any legal share in that house or not.
By the way, in an emergency situation, women can also call 181 or 1091 and children can call 1098 for help. Is that okay?
Sarpanch ji, why don't we create a women's organization where victims of domestic abuse can seek help from today onwards?
Great suggestion. Do you agree, Pancho? With this meeting, we have started a new campaign against domestic violence. And for this initiative, I would like to thank Sunita ji.
Thanks, Sarpanch ji. All I have to say is that no human being, woman, man or child, should be a victim of violence and abuse. Everyone has a right to safety, to self-respect. So if you see violence happening, then go ahead and stop them. Don't turn your back thinking it is someone's personal matter. because violence cannot be condoned.
From this day onwards, I promise that I will never abuse or raise my hands.